Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Minh Quang. Today I'm going to read the book Great Migrations. On the move. Migration is when animals move from one place to another. Sometimes huge numbers of animals migrate together, but some animals migrate thousands of kilometers alone. Why do animals migrate? Many places are not good for animals to live in all year long. The places are sometimes too cold or too hot, or not good for baby animals. Sometimes there's not enough food. Animals have to move away for part of the year or for part of their lives. They migrate to find food, water, and a safe place to live or breed. Sometimes all the animals in species migrate. This is called a complete migration. If only one animal in a species migrate, it's called a partial migrations. Arctic terns migrate from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back every year. That's almost 50,000 kilometers. When to go? Animals that migrate are called migrants. Many migrants leave their home at the same time every year. They reach the end of the journey at about the same time too. So how do they know when it is time to leave? Animals see things in the world around them that tell them to leave. The days get longer or shorter, the weather gets hotter or colder, or there's less food to eat. Scientists think that when migrants see that things are changing, their bodies make special chemicals called hormones. The hormones make animals eat a lot of food so that it's enough energy for its journey. Finding their way. Animals are very good at finding their way. Some use landmarks, important places that they can see, for example, mountains and coast. Others use the sun during the day or the moon and stars at night. Some animals use smell to help them find a way. Scientists think that some animals can feel Earth's magnetic field and use it to tell them where they are. It's like an animal have a compass inside. Some animals, like bats and whales, make special sound when they are moving. The echoes from this sound help them to find their way. Dangers. Migrating is often dangerous. The journey is very tiring for animals, and they sometimes find it difficult to get food and water. They're in danger from bad weather and predators, other animals that want to kill and eat them. There are many dangers, but these do not stop migrants. They have to make long journeys to find safe place to breed, and a home with lots of food. Changing migrations. Animals that migrate move through different habitats, and they need different types of food in different places. Because of this, they are in danger from things that change in the world around them. Problems for migrants. Many migrants, like tuna, cod, birds, and sea turtles, are in danger from too much fishing or hunting. Roads, power lines, and wind turbines stop the animals from migrating. Also, people damage the habitats of many migrants when they cut down trees, take out ponds, build dams across rivers, or build fences around land. Pollution damages habitats too. The climate is changing. Earth is getting too warm because of our vehicles. Factories and power stations are making too many gas like carbon dioxide. The climate is changing, so there are more storms and deserts are getting bigger. There is less ice on polar ocean and ocean currents are changing. Journeys are now more dangerous for migrants. It's also more difficult for animals to reach the right place and right time for feeding and breeding. Scientists think that many animal species will stop migrating or they will migrate to new places because climate is changing. Many birds that migrate north for summer, like the willow warbler, and now they're staying there for longer than usual. Some birds are not migrating back to south. Polar bears in danger. Polar bears live on the ice in the Arctic winter. Here they can hunt seals. They make food. In summer, there is not enough ice for hunting, so polar bears migrate south to the land. Because the climate is changing, there is now less ice on the ocean, and the ice is melting earlier in spring. So in winter, the bears have less time on the ice for catching seals. Also, it's sometimes difficult for the bears to migrate to land because there's less ice to walk on, and they often have to swim far across the ocean. How can we help? Scientists are now putting special markers on some migrants. This marker helps scientists to see where the animals are migrating and how their journeys are changing. Scientists hope that if they can learn more about migrants, they can help to save their habitats. In the wet season on Christmas Island in Asia, millions of red crabs migrate to the ocean to breed. Markers have helped scientists to learn about their migration. We need to keep our planet Earth clean and safe to protect animal migrations.